I started baking as a kid in a small city in India, and my love for chocolate began from then. But then I thought that I needed something more. That wasn't enough. So that's what got me to George Brown. Toronto is so multicultural. It doesn't feel like you're away from home. Anyone can be anything here. When I entered the Bake Labs for the first time, everything was so white, clean. We had everything that I could think of. I just went like, oh my God, this is where I'm supposed to be. I got the opportunity to go to France through George Brown to study there and work, which was amazing. The more intricate the work, the happier I feel. George Brown has molded me into a more confident chocolatier.